Hey, welcome everybody. Thank you for joining me for a 15-minute sprint indoor cycling workout ride here. Alright, so nice and easy. We're just going to warm it on up. Make sure those legs are moving, keeping those knees forward, feet are flat. So this is a sprint ride. So we're going to be working a lot of RPMs, high RPM, fast speeds, lower resistance. But remember, I always feel resistance against those legs. Never drop that gear, never drop that down all the way to the left. Alright, so whatever bike you're on, that's up to you. Any of the bikes work for this one. I'm on the Schwinn IC4. So if you are using one of those bikes, I'll refer to some of the numbers just so you can kind of keep track for yourself. But I will also be referring to the resistance levels easy, medium, and hard. RPMs I will be referring to. If you don't have an RPM meter on your bike, don't worry about it. Alright, it's just gonna base it off of you. It's always just about getting in that workout, no matter what. You're doing what you can. If you need more breaks during this ride, you're welcome to take them. If you don't, then keep pushing, keep working, whatever it is. You know your body best. You know what you can handle. Alright, picking it on up. Speed, RPMs, about 65 or higher. Nice easy ride here. Again, we're on that closer to the easy side. Nice flat road here. I'm on the IC4 again, so I'm on about a level 10 to a 15. If you have a resistance level, you could try and refer to the same numbers. I'm not sure how they reflect over to your brand bike, but if it feels similar to mine, then you can stay with it. That's alright. Alright, so we're picking up that speed here. Again, we're just gonna work a lot of sprints here. We're gonna slow it down, we'll recover, we'll sprint it out again. Different time variations for each interval, as long as you do what you can. But remember, we want to soften in those elbows, chest stays proud, shoulders relaxed, grips are loose, feet are flat, knees bend forward. And if you think about it on a bike, you pretty much staying within the boundary of the bike here. No flaring out the elbows, no knees pointing outwards. Try and keep them nice and parallel, nice and tight and controlled. Alright, RPM's picking it on up, about 80 or higher now. We're running. Still easy resistance. If you're feeling like your legs are going too fast for you, you're out of control, add a little bit of resistance, okay? Like I said earlier, we don't want it all the way back on zero resistance. Always feel something against those feet. It's gonna be bad for the ankles, the legs, and the knees. Add a little bit of resistance, 5, 10 more resistance. Try and maintain that speed here. Keep pushing. Again, think of what your goal is, okay? Your intention for this ride, your overall fitness goal. Whatever it is, you're always working for it. No matter what workout you're doing, where you're doing one of my workouts or another workout, you're always trying to better yourself and reach that goal. Keep it going, keep it going. Pick up those feet. Pick up those knees. Pushing through the widest part of that foot. Keep running. Excellent job. Stay in control. Keep going. High speeds. Again, this is all sprint rides, okay? This is an all sprint ride. And recover. Peel back. Add a little bit more resistance. About 5 to 10 more, okay? You choose. For me, I'm on a 20 to 25 resistance. How are you feeling? Heart rate's going? Maybe the sweat has started. You got this though. Okay, this is short. It's only 15 minutes. It's gonna go by quick. Alright, another sprint coming up here. Get those legs moving. Here we go, another sprint. 80, 85 RPMs or higher. Add back that resistance to whatever you stopped off with last time before the recovery. Run those legs. Pick up those knees. Move those feet, nice smooth circles. Good job. Keep breathing, keep running. You got this. Believe in yourself. Think of whatever that reward is. You're racing to it. Alright? Whether it's weight loss, strength, whatever it is, you know, you're working for it. You got this. Keep moving. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Add a little bit more resistance. Keep pushing that same amount of speed. Nice job. Are you smiling still? Are you sweating? Drooping? Pushing, working hard? I hope so. All of the above. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Nice job. Move those legs and recover. Peel back. How are we feeling? Good. Nice job. We're under 10 minutes now, okay? Only under 10 minutes of work left. Burn those calories, remember. Working out for a reason here. It's always thinking about yourself here. Thinking about the reason. Find that motivation. Find that drive inside of you to ride. Ride like there's no tomorrow. Alright, I didn't touch that dial, okay? So if you touch that dial, put that resistance back. We're gonna get about the medium level resistance now. 20 to 25 on the IC4 bike. Stand it up. Abs engaged, core tight, shoulders relaxed. Soft bend in those elbows. Grips are loose. Okay, so again, close to a medium level resistance. Just so we can stand. Just so we're stable standing. If you're having a hard time standing, take a seat. Stay seated the whole time, that's okay. Again, it's always about you. You do what you can. You do what your body allows you to do. And you're just working for it. Simple as that. Good, pick it up, pick it up. Add some resistance. Feel the wind in your hair. Nice open road. You're racing for it. Your goal, your reward. Right at the end, you see it. You're racing to it. Excellent. Good job, everybody. Nice work. Push yourselves. Let the sweat drip. Breathe in heavy. Add a little bit more resistance. Great job. Hover back. Hips over the saddle, over the seat. If that's too challenging for you, you can stay standing. We're just working the back of the legs a little harder here to glutes those hamstrings. Core is engaged. Elbows not reaching over the handlebars. They're not hovering right on top of it. Keep them up. Keep those elbows tight, not flared out. Keep riding to it. Keep racing. Stand it up. How are we feeling? You got this. Peel off some resistance. 5 more RPMs. RPMs 75 or higher. 80 or higher. 85 or higher. Wherever you're at, it does not matter. As long as you're challenging yourself. Hover back. Hips back. Abs engaged. Core tight. You're breathing still. Breathe into this whole ride. Do not hold the breath. You need that oxygen flowing throughout the body. Stand it back up. Bring the energy. Feel the fire inside of you. Good job, push. Pull back some resistance, 5 more RPMs. Excellent job. Back to our starting resistance from when we first stand it up. Hover back. Keep going, high speeds. A little bit more. Have a seat, keep it running. Don't slow down, don't touch the dial yet. Nice smooth circles, push with those feet. Nice job, almost there. And recover. We're not done with the workout yet, okay? Just take a little break, grab water, wipe some sweat. You can peel off some resistance. Nice flat road here. How we feeling? We're almost there with the workout. We're under 5 minutes here. All right, so we're gonna go strong for the rest of the ride. This is just a recovery for you to breathe. All right, start picking it on up again. Again, racing to that goal, finish line. It's getting closer to you, you can see it. RPM 75, 80 or higher. Good work. Stay strong again. Keep powering through. Nice job. How are we doing? Good. Keep going. Keep pushing. Again, soft bend those elbows. Don't tighten up. Keep it relaxed. Keep those grips loose. Add a little bit more resistance. Keep going. Nice job. Add a little bit more resistance. Push through those legs. Try and maintain that same speed. Great job. Are we sweating? Breathing heavy, dripping. Burning those calories, building up that strength, building up that endurance. Working on that cardio. Yes, you got this. Keep going. All right, back to a medium level. Stand it on up. Last stretch. Move those legs. 70 RPMs or higher. You got this. I know you do. Keep going. Are you smiling still? Good job. Good job in pushing yourselves. Hover back. Add a little bit more resistance. Maintain speed. You got this. Almost there. We got about 30 seconds left. Then we cool down. Stay strong. Push the stand it back up. Keep going. Breathe. Push. If you have gasoline back in your tank still, use it up. Burn it up. Last stretch here. And recover. Slow it down. Stay standing for me. How are we feeling? Out of breath? Did you work hard? Can you work harder next time? Again, try taking this ride again. See if you can work harder. See if you can hit higher numbers. That's what it's always about. It's doing more each time. Okay, nice way to track that progress. To get you to that goal, whatever your goal is. Finish that New Year's resolution, whatever it is. Have a seat. Peel back some resistance, flat ground, nice and easy. Grab water, wipe sweat. You guys did awesome. Thanks again for joining me. Again, if you liked this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Shows me so much appreciation on YouTube when you do that. And relax, stop the legs. Nice big breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Reach those hands up, chin down. And let me know in the comments below how this workout was for you. What kind of bike are you using? Look up. Chin up, breathe, reach those hands up higher. Side bend. Other side. Bring those hands right back to handlebars. Feet halfway, right foot is back. Even on both sides, you can add resistance if you need to help you stabilize. Look up, chin up, heels back. Lengthen out the legs, lengthen out the body. Hover back, reaching those hands forward past the handlebars. Feet stay flat, still, same position, heels down. Switch sides, opposite foot back, look up, chin up. Push back in those heels down. Lengthen out the legs, stretching out the quads. Hover back. Take a breath. Alright, have a seat. One more time. Right hand to the left handlebar. Open up to the left side. Open up the chest. Reach that hand as far back as you can. Look right at that hand. Switch sides. Nice work again, everybody. Alright, give me a nice big inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Give yourselves a hand. Great job again, everybody. Again, thank you for joining me in this workout ride here. Again, if you want a little bit more stretching, check out my stretch and recovery videos. Or you have a little bit more in your gas tank, you want to go harder, check out the rest of my cycling videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. And until next time, stay fit, stay flex, and I will see you in the next one.